You mention in your book also that mind unity is not mind or mind-body equality. What would the difference? What would somebody think when they think mind-body equality versus unity?
Yeah, you can say mind and body, in some sense, you have a wrist and you have a forearm. It's all part of your arm. It's all part of you. And in the same way, we can talk about the mind, but it's not separate. It's every thought you have is going to reflect itself in some way in your body. There was some data I came upon many years ago, and I don't know who did this study, but it was remarkable, which is that tears of joy are biochemically different from tears of sadness. And that's what I mean by every thought affecting our body.
Hi, Ted Wolf here. I want to thank you for joining us for this Implementors video. The Implementors podcast is presented by Guidewise, where we, along with our vetted member community, recognize that ideas are easy, but implementation is hard. To learn more about getting things done with Guidewise, please visit us at guidewise.io. And to conquer your implementation struggles, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy implementing.